To use an Apple gift card to buy Apple products, start by making sure you have a valid gift card with a sufficient balance to cover the cost of the item you want to purchase. You can check your gift card balance by visiting the Apple website or by contacting Apple support. Next, go to the Apple website or visit an Apple store to browse the available products. Once you have found the item you want to purchase, add it to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. During the checkout process, you will be prompted to enter your payment information. Select the option to use an Apple gift card and enter the gift card number and PIN. If you are using the Apple website, you can also redeem your gift card code in the account section of the website before making a purchase. This will add the gift card balance to your Apple account, and you can then use it to pay for your purchase. When using an Apple gift card in an Apple store, simply let the sales associate know that you would like to use a gift card to pay for your purchase. They will then ask for the gift card number and PIN, and apply the balance to your purchase. It is also possible to use an Apple gift card to buy Apple products from other authorized resellers, such as Best Buy or Walmart. However, be sure to check with the reseller before making a purchase to confirm that they accept Apple gift cards. In addition to using Apple gift cards to buy products, you can also use them to pay for accessories, such as cases or headphones, or to purchase digital content, such as music or movies, from the iTunes Store or Apple Music. To get the most out of your Apple gift card, be sure to use it before the balance expires, and keep track of your gift card balance to ensure that you do not overspend. You can also combine your Apple gift card with other payment methods, such as a credit card, to pay for a purchase that exceeds the gift card balance. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily use an Apple gift card to buy Apple products and enjoy the latest technology from Apple. Remember to always keep your gift card information secure and be aware of any terms and conditions associated with your gift card.